How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up your recent app manager. Now clear Instagram and restart Instagram on a device. If it still doesn't fix your issue, go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search, tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on the update button. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on the device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now simply tap on Instagram. Tap on force stop and go to storage uses. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now restart your device and then restart Instagram. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.